Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to do like get and ready with me. So to take off my makeup I use any cleanser. So nowadays I use the Lakme deep cleanser, and for the wipes I use the cleaner wipes, which is sanitized and it's really good. So I take a little amount of this cream and I massage it all around my face to clean all the makeup that I have. So what I do is I actually massage this all over my face, even with my eyes. So these cleansers are really gentle and it's gonna take your makeup really good. So now I'm gonna take my wipes. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna start wiping it off. You guys can see it took all the makeup off. Now it's time for the face wash. So to clean my face I'm gonna use the Palm green tea pore cleansing face wash. I'm gonna take a little bit of this and I'm just gonna start washing my face with this, and this has a really small particles of green tea which is gonna actually exfoliate your skin while you're washing it. So now I'm just going to wash this and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we have washed our face, it's really cooling and it's gonna give you a cooling effect. So now it's time for exfoliating. So we have the Palm face scrub, and these are all from the green tea range. So I'm gonna take a little bit amount of it, just a tiny amount of it, and I'm just gonna start scrubbing it all over my face. So make sure to always scrub your face whenever you're putting makeup or whatever you're doing. And the Palm scrub is really gentle, so you can use it even daily if you want. So as a beauty influencer, I really like to scrub each and every day, and I really want to find a really, not harsh, a really soft scrub which is gentle on my face, and this one is really good. And I have been testing this out since I got it and it's really amazing. So now I'm gonna wash this and I'll be right back. So now I'm gonna use the Palm green tea face mask, which is this one, and this green tea range is really amazing, and I'm just gonna apply this mask with my hand. I really prefer using all the masks with my hands, I don't know why. So I'm gonna apply this all over my face and keep it for 20 to 30 minutes or maybe 10 minutes, so according to my mood. So just gonna apply it evenly on my skin, and this really gives me a cooling effect. And yeah, so I'm gonna keep this for 20 minutes. So if you have acne prone skin, then I definitely recommend you using this range basically, because it's actually made for acne prone skin, the ones who has a oily skin. So it's gonna take out all those excess oil from your face and it's gonna clean out your pores. And still that I'm having this mask on, I have a sensation going on which is like actually it's gonna clean my pores, which is really amazing. So I really recommend you, if you have a oily prone skin, go get it, because I have oily skin and this has been helping me a lot. It's been 2 weeks since I have got these products and I'm using them, and it's today that I'm reviewing it for you guys, because I don't want you guys to buy such kind of products which is not gonna work for you, but these are definitely gonna work for you. Just give it a try. So now I'm gonna use the green tea toner, which is actually alcohol free, and you can use cotton wipes to use your toner. So I'm just gently going to go with this all over my face. And now I'm gonna use the green tea night gel. It is so good. Like, I really love this product so much. And as you guys can see, I have used a lot of this, and now I'm just gonna put this on, and that's it. That's how my night routine is nowadays. And this night gel is really good. Like, I say it's really good means it is. And that's it for my get unready with me, and I hope you guys like this. And these products are really amazing. Genuinely, I'm saying it. It's not because I got it in a PR. If you guys are following me from long time, you know that I don't review the products which is not good. These are really good. You have to give it a try. Use it for minimum 1 week, and then you're gonna get to see the results. So I'll catch you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. I love you all.